Well, let me tell you, folks, I am some kind of sore. I think my old manness got to me. I have been, picking up heads and motor parts and crankshafts and pieces and parts, and Lord have mercy, my garage is just a big... Joe, just look at it. Just look at it. Stuff everywhere here. It needs to be sorted and put back into the right place. And whew, I just need to take a day off and clean up this mess, so I'll have a place to start. I can't even walk out here, and I don't want to do it. Is that bad? I'm sore. I just want to sit on the couch, but then I get stiff, and then I'm stiff and sore. Doggone, this old age stuff, it ain't for sissies. See where we're at now. Yeah. I'm going to come at that motor in the morning, and I'm going to move toward it as if I am planning to crank it. I know there's going to be some things I'm going to need, but I don't want to run off to the parts store until I know for sure. And I think what's going to be involved in this here is having me sort of put everything together at the same time I'm putting everything away, straighten out this mess, get a half decent looking spot to work in, and then we'll figure it out from there. So I came out here with the idea that maybe if I walked out here, I would just sort of naturally start picking things up and putting them in their place, like that pile right there of old boxes that's, yeah, and everything. I like the looks of that motor sitting there, all shinied up and clean painted and everything. I like that good. All right. I don't know what else I came out here to talk about, or even what else I came out here to do. Maybe I just feel like I need to be doing something, but I can't figure out what it is I need to be doing. So maybe I might be thinking that if I just come out here and be amongst it all, I'll start feeling more like doing something. I don't know, or doing something constructive or something. Some runny looking paint there, but it's probably just because I tried to do the whole thing in one coat. Yeah, I need to focus. I need to focus on my whatever it all is whatever. Like the worst engine paint job in the world, but if you put enough paint on there, it don't matter, right? That's kind of the theory that I'm going by here. I suppose I could turn some more lights on. Then you could see maybe a little bit more. Yep, I'm coming out here in the morning. I'm gonna do something. I done made my mind up. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. Tomorrow morning, when I come out here in the morning, I'm gonna do something. As soon as I figure out what that is, I'll let y'all know. Mercy sakes, great balls of fire. I was just reading. I try to avoid reading a whole lots of propaganda on the internet, and I keep getting sent the same old propaganda over and over, so I just decided to read it today. And then when I wrote it, I thought, well, heck far, I knew all that before I read it. I was saying this stuff 20 years ago. Now people are like putting it out on the internet like they just discovered this stuff. Y'all been sleeping under the mushrooms or what? But we won't get into that. We're not going to talk about that. I want to raise no subjects that I wouldn't want Cutworm here to discuss with me if it were to come up. So that's all I'm going to say about that there. So, oh boy. Yeah, I need to clean that up. That might not look too bad if I was to scrape all the paint off of it there. Yeah, I might feel like scraping paint off of stuff tomorrow. That aluminized intake manifold over there. It might look good too if I was cleaning it up. Oh, the joy. Alright, I don't even know what I came out here for this time. I ought to get my hat and my shirt and throw that in the dirty clothes. Throw the shirt in there anyway. Oh, the joy. Dang, I say. Hmm. 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 Okay then. Don't pay no attention to this video because it don't make sense to me either. So there's that. But tomorrow something good's gonna happen. I'm gonna make things happen and it'll all make sense then, even if it don't tonight. Okay? Okay. Carburetor boxes up there. Wonder what's in them. Oh yeah, I remember some of what's in them boxes. There's some cool stuff up there. I might decide I need to dig into some of that stuff. Oh, you never know. Things could happen. Cool things could happen. Oh, the joy. Let's get out of here before I wind up working or something. Mercy sakes, scrape all the fire.